Hey, what's good, guys? It's Seth with Ascent22.com. So COTI has been pumping heavy. The COTI team recently dropped 3 announcements on Twitter that are very bullish. Let's look at these. So the first tweet reads, "We are happy to share that you can now convert COTI native coins into euros in your COTI bank account and immediately spend it with your COTI debit card." The second tweet reads, "We are happy to announce a series of new high-yield COTI staking activities with Binance. Stake your COTI starting from December 22nd, 2021 at 12 o'clock p.m. UTC to enjoy up to 35.49% APY and additional rewards." The third tweet reads, "We are happy to announce that COTI is partnering with AdaSwap, an ecosystem that will establish the first decentralized exchange on Cardano network to explore ways in which you can be integrated with the AdaSwap DEX." So these are very bullish announcements for COTI. So in light of that, let's look at COTI and my short-term and medium-term price targets for COTI. Okay, so now let's kick this off by getting the market sentiments for COTI using the open interest and the long to short ratio on Binance. I'm currently in the 1 hour time frame, and looking at the open interest chart, we see that open interest was pretty much flat until about 21 UTC. And after that, we see that the open interest has skyrocketed, right? So 21 UTC, that is around the same time that the COTI team announced that Binance will be enabling COTI staking for 35%. And we see that open interest has skyrocketed since then, right? But now let's look at the long to short ratio to see the direction for the open interest. So looking at the long to short ratio, we see that the percentage of shorts was pretty much flat until about 21 UTC. After the pump, we see that the number of shorts has increased, right? So let me bring up my cursor and hover over this. So we see that the number of shorts, the percentage of shorts was about 20 to 22, 23%. And then after the pump, we see that the number of shorts has increased. Shorts is now at 47% compared to 52% for longs. The longs was at 77% before the pump. So it looks like a lot of people are shorting COTI at the moment, right? And then people are shorting the pump. So you want to be careful. You don't want to chase the pump at the moment. And you definitely, if you are going to put in any longs at the moment, you better have good risk control. Now, looking at the daily chart for COTI, the price for COTI is at the moment trading at about 43 cents. And the price also recently broke out of this descending wedge pattern. And this descending wedge pattern is usually a bullish indicator and normally predicts that price will break out of the pattern and push higher. And we see COTI doing just that at the moment. I expect COTI to push towards 45 cents. So I expect COTI to push towards 45 cents and break above 45 cents. There's some resistance over here at around 45 cents as we see on the chart. But I expect COTI to push above that. And the next resistance level that we are going to see for COTI will be around the 50 cents price level. So there are a lot of resistance levels for COTI to break through before it heads towards the all-time highs. But my long-term price target for COTI is sitting at the all-time highs, which is at about 70 cents. So that's my long-term price target for COTI. I expect COTI to go retest that. That is if Bitcoin does not dump. If Bitcoin dumps, then we'll probably not see that. But that is my short-term price target is at about 50 cents, and my long-term price target is at 70 cents for COTI. But now let's look at some indicators. Let's look at the RSI. From the RSI, COTI is looking bullish. The RSI is in an upward trend, and the RSI is only at 62, 63. So there's a lot of room for COTI to run in the RSI. But now let's switch to the MACD chart. And looking at the MACD chart now, we see that the MACD line, the blue line, is above the signal line, the orange line. So things are looking bullish for COTI. This is confirming the gain of momentum and also confirming the gain of strength in the RSI as well. But let's look at the squeeze momentum chart to see whether the squeeze momentum is confirming the gain of momentum in the MACD. The squeeze momentum is not yet confirming the gain of momentum, but this is a lagging indicator. So it might take some time for the squeeze momentum to catch up with the market. But at the moment, we have 2 indicators confirming the bullish move for COTI, but we have 1 indicator which is not yet confirming the bullish move. So I expect COTI to hit 50 cents in the short term within a day or two, and probably even push higher towards 70 cents if Bitcoin does not dump. If Bitcoin does not dump, then COTI will push even higher towards 70 cents. But now make sure to help a brother out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. My name is Seth, and I make crypto content that makes you more money. So if making more money with cryptos is something you are interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications as well. And let me know what other coin you would like for me to cover in the comment section.